A federal court of appeals says cities cannot prosecute people for sleeping in public places. Spokane police tell me this ruling does not affect Spokane because the city doesn't have any laws specific to sleeping in public places. It does, however, have laws against sitting or lying on the sidewalk.
Spokane City Code says no one can sit or lie down on a public sidewalk with a blanket, chair, stool, or any other object placed on a public sidewalk. This applies to the hours between 6 a.m. and midnight, specifically in the downtown core. If you spend any time in downtown Spokane, you're likely to come across a few people sitting or even sleeping on sidewalks. Spokane Municipal Court says in 2017, police issued 94 citations to people illegally sitting or lying on the sidewalk. So far this year, police have issued 100. Spokane police say in these situations, an officer will ask the person to move along and give them a warning. The second violation is a citation, where they could be charged with a misdemeanor. Police say they'll also refer the person to resources and shelters available in the community. There is an exception, though, to this sit or lie law. It doesn't apply to someone who is homeless during a time frame when shelter space is unavailable. This echoes the recent federal ruling about not citing people for sleeping in public places if they have nowhere to go. In July, House of Charities reduced its capacity, but it is in the process of developing a new shelter opening next year. Spokane police weren't able to comment on whether they've seen an increase in people sitting or lying on the sidewalk since this change, but even if they did and shelters were full, police would not be able to cite people for sitting or lying on the sidewalk. Amanda Rowley, KREM 2 News.